Hi, it's Miss Galadla, still in the shambles, and welcome back to my chaos. And for those who don't know me, I am the CEO of being awkward on the camera, but let's roll. It is a random Tuesday, and I just decided to take the kids out to the beach, as I had promised them like earlier on during the week or last week, I don't know. So we're heading off to Orient Beach with my aunt driving us.
Ini uai supi tu sudah utm uai tak nawang terus kamu kayak luar siapa kunci.
So we get there, it's nice, chill vibes, chilling with the kids, a little picnic in Yana, you know.
Swabandwana, say hi.
Hi. Hi, Miss Coffee.
So with me is my cousin, Ngabagazi. Our grandmothers are sisters. So I don't know if we're cousins or we're great cousins or we're grand cousins, but the other one is Ulitemba. She's also my cousin, and we are related. Alwande is literally Dora the Explorer. Now, Ato, on the other hand, he literally doesn't want. Like,
only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What we want.
My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe.
Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What we want.
My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe.
1 hour later.
I'm over the moon, down from the mountain. I've been just dancing away. I'm over the moon, something closer, feeling.
I couldn't vlog the rest of the beach day because my camera was low battery and I only have one battery. Guys, subscribe to my channel. I need batteries, I need equipment to provide the premium content, you know. Yeah, well, so yeah, that was our beach day.
A few moments later.
Today is a Wednesday. Why am I looking at my watch? Today is a Wednesday, and the time is close to 2 o'clock. So today, I woke up, I did my morning routine as usual, and I decided I'm gonna choose to be beautiful today, you know. So the plans for today, Ulita is gonna come and we're gonna bake some muffins together. So you guys are gonna see that on the next few clips. Enjoy. So as I have mentioned that Ulita is coming over so we can bake some muffins, I'm going to get her by the gate because she lives next door by me. So yeah, welcome to my vlog.
Welcome to our vlog.
Welcome to our vlog. Period.
Hi guys.
Yeah, guys, she lives next door.
Oh,
Why
is
it's not
it
gonna
yawning in my
bite.
face?
It's not gonna
Why
bite.
is it yawning in my face?
You eating. You eating. That's why it's like, yeah.
Okay, how are you guys?
Oh yeah. I'm sure they're fine.
Oh, okay.
Right. Come back. My dog is such a street dog.
Do you think you are? So cute. So cute. And then the best part. Yeah, guys, it flips.
Lita bought some equipment, guys.
Yeah.
Is it equipment or is it equipped? She's just equipped.
Oh.
Not funny?
No. Okay. Then you turn it on.
Mm-hmm.
My lens extends.
Yay!
So cute. And
Let's see. Ooh.
Okay. That's a mini.
Oh, you know, so cute. That's me, the vloggers.
Yeah,
That's
guys.
so cute.
So.
It has bedazzle.
Yeah, and hers
why
even
not?
has like little pink little.
And yeah, I'm so tired, oh guys. But yes, guys, we're gonna bake some muffins now. We have.
It's like the first step.
What flavors do you think we have?
I saw that one's banana.
We have vanilla.
This was probably brown. Oh,
Wait.
yes.
Oh, what did you
So I was just guessing for like. It's like
Okay, and that's brown.
And
So yeah, cheers. Yay.
Simo.
Simo. Gordon Ramsay. Is it Ramsay?
maybe?
Gordon.
Sure.
Cat.
Gordon Ramsay. Gordon Ramsay.
What is Gordon Ramsay?
Chef. See you.
Tela. Yes.
This is what happens when two vloggers come together.
Bruh, content
This
creators.
is my future kids. By the way.
Really do need that much? Oh yeah, it's 7:50.
Get it? Holy cow and it's milk. Like milk comes from cows.
Holy cow. Oh my god. That jokes.
Okay.
Life when that don't exist, just like your sex life. And on the dating app, so you get her left swipes. I know what you're worth, just like an ex-wife. So drop the alpha shit, you're looking silly, bro. You ain't no bad boy, my bro works for Diddy, bro.
I can still see the egg. This is the egg yolk.
Egg yolk.
Here's the egg yolk.
Ow. Ow. Day in the life of a content creator.
I do petis kaka se camera.
A camera is a camera. No matter the size.
Exactly,
Size
size doesn't
don't
matter. This girl thinks she's funny. Get a load of this guy. Get a load of this guy.
Oh my word. I'm funny like that.
I'm shaking. This feels like a workout.
Who the hell is that? Hey, my neck. It's not very mix. You're done. Hey. Where you the girl?
Yo, it's already action. It's fine.
Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want.
I'm not sure that's what
You want.
You're gonna be a vlogger soon.
My neighbors look like Halle Berry. But she don't love me, she too scared.
the kids are gonna be like, no, what's finishing? What's finishing? No, it's starting. Don't worry.
Delivered. Yay. These are brand muffins that we made from scratch. Nara Smith A, Nara Smith B.
There are some blueprints. That's what the B
Yep.
stands for.
And we're gonna taste. Are you gonna break that in half? Or?
Yeah.
Okay.
You're gonna break this one off.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it's just.
Ooh, you see that?
Okay.
Fresh from the.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh.
I want it to be sweeter. I like sweet things.
I don't want sweet meat. I'm sweet already. Can't be adding more sweetness to this.
Get a load of this guy.
She's such an op. Don't listen to her. She is such an op. Opposite.
Opposition. Opinion.
Yeah, bad one though. This is nice.
Imagine this chocolate chips.
Yeah. Whoa, wait. What?
Yes.
Why was chocolate chips? Do you guys know that combo?
Bread and chocolate chips. Anything with chocolate chips. Hello?
Vanilla.
Yeah, wait. Yes, it's
Okay.
vanilla.
Okay.
Imagine this little bit of chocolate
Oh, ganyan na. Ungaba ba yung muesli and stuff? Yung muesli yun ka. The banana. The honey. No,
Guys, how do you eat muesli? Do you eat muesli? Comment down below, yes or no.
Also, why do you eat muesli?
It tastes good. It's breakfast. Why do you eat oats? Why do you eat oats? Because you muesli.
There's no power that comes with muesli.
So we want that. So in honor of them. Yes.
Are we?
Yes.
Are we? Are we up? Don't listen to her. Silinde muffins up.
That's banging.
Cheers. Litty is in the building. Shout out, yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, this is Ulita, aka Lita. Lita is my old-time neighbor, my OG neighbor. And she's also my bestie. She's my friend. She's my close friend. She's my sister. She's my
say duh.
So yeah,
Sorry, don't put that. Don't put that. Hi
introduce
guys.
yourself.
Later.
We are here to tell you on how we actually became friends. I've seen her around for like almost 4 years now. I think I started seeing you in grade 11.
So 2022.
Yeah, in grade 11. I just saw this girl was like always coming out when I'm coming out. I'm like, is she stalking me or something? Like, what the
Girl,
hell?
you were stalking me.
What the hell
That's
is
so
it?
for real. Like, guys, every time we see each other, be like,
Hello, hi. Hello, hi. Bruh, like, as an abuser, like, we never asked each other about like shiny and all. Okay. So it was the day I came back, and then my uncle was talking to her mom because we're neighbors. So they were talking like and then me, I was excited to see my uncle because I just came back, and then I rushed to the gate. And then
I was inside because I was like, because with my mind, we were talking, so I was like, hello.
yeah, and then he went back inside.
I walked back in.
Yeah, and then me, I came, and then they were talking there, and then Mama Galita got distracted by me, and then she was like, oh hey, yeah, but Galita and she's also there in UCT. I'm like, what? Excuse me, what? I was like, no, I didn't know. And then it was like, yeah, she's here. Actually, let me call her. And then it was like, oh, I started shaking my head. What am I gonna say? Oh my god. And
I'm standing behind our gate, but like the blue one.
yeah.
And then Mama was like, hi girl. And I think she said your name. I don't know. And I was like,
And then we hit it off like that. She came, she said hi, I was like, hello, hi, how are you? And then I was like, oh, your mom was just telling me that you go to UCT. And then she was like, yeah. And they were like, oh, you're also there, huh? Hi. And then,
So-
oh, you stay there.
wait,
It's
sorry,
like,
I don't actually go to UCT, I go to Harvard, but I'm on Christmas break right now. I'm going
there's
on
Christmas in Harvard.
it's Christmas everywhere on the 25th of December. What? Yo, Let's talk about this. Let's talk about this. How? No, you don't. No.
What was she
Sorry,
saying?
no, sorry. She's confused. I was still saying. Sure, carry on.
And yes, that's how we became friends, because she's like a liar and I'm a liar too. So
I'm not a liar. I'm not a liar.
No,
Thanks.
we're not liars. I'm joking.
Yeah.
She's not a liar.
I'm
I'm not a
joking.
liar. She does that to me, you guys.
Bars.
We're gonna play a game.
Sorry, there's a dog.
Oh my
Guys
God.
can't see it, there's a dog. Get. Do you see how abusive she is? Jeez.
It had to go up.
So we're searching get to know you questions because obviously we don't really know each other. Well, okay, wait. We just like became friends, so like we don't know.
Like, yeah, but
Sure.
I'm more of a morning person or a night person. I think I know that.
I'm a day person.
Really?
Not a morning, not a night, day.
Uh-huh.
But I'm a night person more than morning. And you?
I think I'm a night person. Yeah. The time to soak. What's a hobby you
Just
picked up
ask
recently?
anything. A hobby I picked up running.
Really? I do skipping.
Oh.
We also do running. I do running with her. She can't run without me.
I can. In fact, I'm running right now. Like, what? What's something you're proud of but don't talk about much?
Me buying my camera.
Oh, you bought it yourself.
Yes.
That's huge.
Like 13,000 rand camera.
That's huge.
Yes. Okay. Yeah.
What are your 2 truths and a lie?
I have 5 siblings.
Okay.
I am an introvert.
Okay.
I do not like pineapples.
I hope that's a lie. So by siblings, you mean siblings or like siblings?
siblings, like from my mom and my dad.
Okay. I feel like you're not an you're an introvert until someone gets to know you and you're not an introvert. But like most of the time I feel like you're an introvert.
Okay.
I'm good for my own sake, I'm gonna go with the lie being you don't like pineapple. No wait, that's the truth. Like weird is you're weird like that. Like okay wait. You have 5 siblings, this is a lie.
That's not a lie.
Really?
Yes.
That's so nice.
That is not a lie, guys. I actually have 5 siblings.
Okay, wait, let me try. You don't like pineapple is a lie.
Yeah, that's a lie. I do love pineapple.
I love pineapples.
Yeah, I'm not an introvert. It's just that come to me and then you're gonna see the
Exactly. Yeah. That's I've stolen from a store. I chased after someone who robbed me, and I cheated on a test in grade 5. Which one's a lie?
You chased after someone who robbed you is a lie.
It's actually the truth.
Really? Why would you do that? Which one's a lie?
The lie is the cheated on a test in grade 5. It was grade 4. Yeah, guys. What's a fun fact that most people don't know about you?
Is that I'm funny? People don't know that I'm funny. Do you guys know? Am I not? Really? 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 I don't know, that of mine. People don't know that I'm actually funny, I think. Yeah. What about you?
My fun fact that people don't know.
I can sing. Oh, she can sing.
Okay, no, stop. That's enough. Thank you. Thank you. Also, I love taking pictures, but maybe people know that. Like, not of me, but like pictures of people and like things. Love.
I've seen that. I can attest to that. Like, every second there's a camera on my face, and I'm like, oh,
okay, what about it?
What about paparazzi? Oh my god. But yeah, I love that.
Because she loves being in front of the camera. What's your go-to snack? The go-to snack. Quick snack.
Those ice cube snacks.
Sure. Guys, can't even up or what?
Oh, I just eat ice.
This is why you are gonna become iron deficient.
Guys, I eat ice every day, like every single day.
I don't have one anymore, but probably popcorn.
I don't like popcorn.
I love popcorn. Guys, popcorn, like I love popcorn.
I don't love popcorn.
Love.
The most ridiculous fear I have fear of frogs.
That's not ridiculous.
That's not ridiculous.
That is not ridiculous.
Okay. Oh my god. I used to fear chickens. I don't think I do anymore. Okay. I think I fear bull cows. Like inkunzi yengoma andifuna because kuthiwa ziyalenqa. Yeah, I think that's the most ridiculous one.
Okay. For me, these 4 things are like genuine fears of mine. Like, so frogs,
Of course.
ants,
Ants.
red ones, ticklish, and cockroaches. Especially if they fly.
Yeah. That's right.
I'd say I don't want to get cancelled. You're
Real.
I have a lot to say. If you ever want to be a dog. Thanks guys for watching this video over.
But anyways, guys, thank you for watching. This is the end of my vlog for the week, featuring literally featuring leader. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe, comment, like, share with your friends, and share with everyone. Mwah. We love you.
Mwah. No bars.
Bye guys.